I've had a lot of opportunity to take some really great photos with these individuals out there, with these workers during this time that is, I think, very important to document for, historical reasons, for contractor safety reasons, all of it. I had gone to a job site a couple weeks ago that my brother was working on out in Malibu, and the contractor out there had enforced face coverings into their safety protocol across the board now. And so it was really good to see that, to see that the contractors are enforcing it to that level. That's the first thing you really see almost is no faces. Everyone is definitely trying to social distance as best as possible. It's not easy when you're doing physical labor. There's a lot of teamwork requirements in doing these things. And so with that, it definitely puts things in a weird perspective because of the social distancing that has to be enforced. For the guys, their life hasn't changed much, right? They have continued working. Yeah, a little bit more safety, things have been implemented, but their lifestyle has continued almost without missing a beat, right? But like their families at home, though, that's changed. Their life has changed. And so talking to these guys on that kind of personal level, these are the stories that we kind of talk about. It's definitely impacted my business tremendously, actually. I had contracts that were lined up that I literally had signed like a week prior to the pandemic hitting. It's made me have to hustle 10 times harder. I think that people get very lost in what's happening and they don't realize how important it is to document at the same time. The documentation of your job sites and the buildings and the people are extremely important. And so it's just communicating that to the contractors. I have to kind of work even harder to attain some of the things I'm trying to accomplish.